guys, we received this set of 3 gold pendant lights for review purposes, and I think they're really nice. As you can see, it's well, a pack of 3. You can take this part and screw it, so you can place the proper glass pendant, which are these ones. They have this really nice matte finish to them. You just place them like this, then screw this top, and just like that, it is ready. As you can see, it looks really nice. You've got obviously 3 extension rods for each one of them. I think they are quite nice. So let's go ahead and install them. I'm gonna use just 2 of them, but I mean it's really nice package of 3 pendant lights. So let's go. Okay guys, as you can see, they are now already installed, and I think they look really nice. They're really pretty. I like a lot how the white, matte white contrast with the rust gold finish they have. And it's really nice. I like them because you can put them on slope ceilings, which is really nice. And you can put them in your bedroom, your dining room, your kitchen island, wherever you want to put them. They are perfect for that area. Okay. So I think they're really nice. They look perfect and they're easy to install. So that's why I would really recommend it. They're great. So see ya.
If you buy this product, this video could generate us a commission. Thank you.